Decision-making has become one of the biggest problems for companies. In an age when speed is of the essence, decision-making is getting slower. Decision-making costs a typical large company around 250 million each year. And 60% of executives say that the time spent making decisions is poorly used. Harvard recently published that only 1 in 5 employees say their company is good at decision making. I have spent years studying decision science and help leaders identify the root causes for these numbers. And more importantly, how to address them. Here's what I've learned. First, the true cost of indecision is often hidden. It is not just meetings or emails. Your most experienced people, such as directors and senior leads, spend valuable hours waiting for decisions. They are benched. They're waiting to come in and play the best game. Second, every unresolved decision holds back progress. It could delay a new project, a key hire, or a contract. This is hard to see when you are in the middle of dozens of initiatives. And then it becomes normal. And we slowly caving into accepting that here decisions take time. Each week a decision remains open, your organization loses not just time, but opportunity. Third, your team can smell indecision. Over time, top performance may question whether they would thrive in a faster moving environment. They get bored and frustrated. Your best people are not moved by money. They're moved by purpose. And an organization that can't decide is not where they want to be. The good news is that you can change this. Improving decision-making speed is not about more budget or expanding your team. It requires clarity, knowing who owns each decision, what information is essential, and when to act. I've seen many teams transform by just changing the way they approach their decisions. Productivity increases, engagement improves, and the entire organization advances more quickly. If you're ready to explore new possibilities, I am happy to help. I offer a 30-minute diagnostic session to discuss how to improve decision making one step at a time. We will quickly identify where you can unlock the most value. You'll find the link below this video. I look forward to meeting you.